Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a love reading for Taurus. Let's see what's going to happen in their love life. And let me clear this is a general reading, so it might resonate with some percentage of people and not with the others. So yes, just keep that in mind. So here I'm going to take out cards for your person's feeling, your feeling, and in the middle I'm going to take out two cards for mutual energy. Okay, let's going to happen for, and yes, this is going to be for Taurus, so yes, just keep that in mind. Your person's feelings, your person's feelings, your person's feelings, your feelings, and the mutual energy. Okay, let's see what are your person's feelings. Nine of Pentacles, the Chariot. I think your person is being too selfish. They are just thinking about their gains, their career, their pesa, everything. This is the Ace of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. They have feelings for you, but they are just focusing on their career right now, Taurus. Okay, with whomsoever you're dealing with, they are too much money minded. And Ace of Cups, the Emperor. I think they want to offer this cup of love to you, but they are in this ego clash with you. Let's see your feelings. King of Pentacles. Okay, you're also focusing on your career, maybe. Queen of Swords, you want some clarity from this person, okay, something that they had done you in the past. Knight of Wands, the Magician, the Fool, Six of Cups. So as far as I'm seeing here, your person is right now taking a charge of their career, their life, their family issues, whatever they are working on right now. They are just selfish. They are into this selfish mode right now. You are also in the selfish mode, but you are still thinking about this person. But this person is self-centered. They are just focusing on their career, their growth, their money, their finances, everything. Just want to get everything into place. And they want to offer you something, but something new they want to start with you, but they are into this anger zone, ego, okay, not expressing their love is what I'm seeing here. Your person is quite filled with ego, okay. You might be dealing with earth sign, another earth sign, okay, maybe water sign, and you are just quite your person is quite into ego zone, okay. They're not opening up, they're not showing their love, they're not showing their emotions. They have kept their emotions on the tied up. And I can also see they're quite focused on their career, their money, okay. So whomsoever you're dealing with, they are too much focused on the career. They are trying to see just be self-centered and focusing on their life, okay. Taking charge of their life. Okay, their willpower is very strong at this point of time, and they are not going to take anything less. They will offer you, but they will take their time, and they want things as per their wish, okay. So they're not going to take anything less than they want, okay. When seeing to your emotions, I think currently you are quite unhappy with their behavior, okay. You are not happy with their behavior. You want to have some sort of clarity with them. You are also trying to focus on your career, but you have built this wall around yourself, not allowing anyone in, okay. Quite grumpy with your partner, okay. As far as I'm seeing, you want some sort of clarification from this person, whomsoever you're dealing with, but they're not giving you because they are focusing on their life and you're not enjoying this, okay. You are like what the hell, I'm waiting here and you're not giving this a closure, you're not even saying sorry to me. So this is your phase right now. I think you are manifesting them or will manifest them, okay, in coming times. You will use law of attract. If you're seeing this video, I'm sure you know what is manifestation. So you are quite manifesting this person in your life, or trying to focus on your life and wanting this new. You are like, if you are not going to come back, I'm not going to give up, okay, I will get you into my life, whatsoever it might take, okay. So you are very much determined about getting this person back. I think you are like, if you're not coming back to me, I'm also on my watch to my career, I'm going to focus on my career, but I'm not going to let you go like this, okay, hurting me and giving me this pain and uncertainty. So you are being strong. You're just being strong, okay. You're not going to let this person walk over you, okay. With the Six of Cups, I think you are expecting this person to offer their cup of love to you, okay, but they are not doing so. So it is quite sure you will go into this fool mode and you will be like, to hell with you, I'm not going to entertain your foolishness. So this is like carelessness and innocence. You're going to be like, I'll enjoy my life, but you have to come in my life. So this is what you're feeling right now. This is quite funny reading, okay. You both are wanting each other, but the person you're dealing with is quite selfish, I must say. They are just focusing on their life. They are all about themselves. I, me, myself, like myself, everything, every card here is about them. So they are not giving you any thought, okay. Let's see your mutual feelings. Okay, you both are hopeful about things will fall into place. So it might be possible that this person is not taking any action because they know after everything, after this breakup thing, you both are going to come back together. So they are quite hopeful and they know you're not going anywhere, okay. So this might let them take you for granted, okay. So be aware about that. And both are quite hopeful about this relationship, but I think you both are triggered about focusing on yourself, okay. Let's see, the Hermit. I told you, you both are focused. You both are like, if you're not coming, I'm going my way, I'm going to go my way, okay. But in this case, your person is more into this mode, okay. You are like still wishing them to come back, but they are like, I'm on my way, I'm taking my decisions, I'm having that wisdom, I'm having everything I want, I don't need you. This sort of energy your person is into right now, okay. So let's take out 2 cards each for more clarity about the situation. I will take 2 cards for you and 2 cards for your person, okay. Let's see the overall theme. 2 cards for this person. Okay. And 2 cards for your feelings and what are your intentions. Let's see your person's intentions and overall energy. Okay, so they might be a businessman and they might be, on this journey. They want to travel for their career. They want to travel to you, maybe. In some cases, they might travel to you, or maybe they are traveling or going to another place, maybe, okay, for their career, for job, or for study, or for taking that course, okay. Yes, they are too much focused on themselves, Taurus, okay. And receptivity, I think they are like, if you're coming to me, I will accept it, but I'm not coming myself. So they are into this, I won't initiate this time, I won't take the first step, okay. Let's see your energies. Slowing down, I think you are also quite slowing down, and you're not going to take anything less. You're just going to wait for this person to get their shit done and come back to you. You are not going to do anything. You are like, I will wait for 50 years more, but you have to come back to me. So you both are into this ego clash, I think. More of your person to say. Okay, let's see the other one. Letting go. I think you are like, if you're not coming back, I will leave you, I will go my way, I will just not focus on anything now. Okay, you're done with it, but inside somewhere you want this person. Okay, so just don't lie with yourself. So this was it for Taurus. I hope it helped. Okay, so if you like such readings, you can consider subscribing my channel. Please like, comment, share. See you in next video.